Well, hello and welcome to the unboxing video of the Framework 12. This is my first time getting a Framework laptop and I am very excited. This one is a 12-inch. We decided to get the i5 option. So let's unbox this and see what awaits us. Ooh, look at that. Look at the clean boxing. It is delightful to see. Here's the keyboard. Then with the SSD, got a 500 gig, we'll upgrade later. Then we have the expansion ports, we have USB, HDMI, USB-C, and SD card reader. A screwdriver. Then we have the RAM. And we have a little booklet which has stickers inside of it. We'll set that off to the side. Then we lift that up, and then there's the laptop. Again, such beautiful packaging. It's really impressive. And as you can see, again, this is the 12-inch DIY do-it-yourself kit, and we got the i5 CPU. Look at that. I'm gonna open it up. Ooh, it's so beautiful. We're gonna go ahead and remove that plastic cover to install our components. We're going to start off with the RAM. Now, since this is my first time getting the Framework, I wasn't exactly sure which way to insert the RAM. So it's not that way. You have to flip it around and align the teeth so it's the blank side up. Satisfying little click. And then you flip up the magnetic piece. Next, we'll do the SSD. Look at that little thing. Little WD black. Little 500 gig. Super easy to install everything. Then we're going to install the keyboard. And this one has the updated little pin connectors for the keyboard to communicate with the motherboard. So you don't have to connect the little cable, which is pretty awesome. Again, first time with the Framework. This is the incorrect way to install it. You can see me struggling with it. You actually have to slide the keypad area in first, and then it locks into place. Then you could flip it over and screw in the screws that just stay there so they don't get lost. Very nice feature. Then we're going to go ahead and install our expansion ports. We got the HDMI here. I wish I could have got them all matching color, but the silver adds a nice touch. Incorrectly installing the expansion card. There we go. Then the SD card expansion card. It's so cool. And here we have the USB-C. with the color match to the laptop. And finally, the USB-A, again in silver. So now, since those are all installed, let's flip it around and take a good look at it. These are the locking mechanisms to lock in your expansion cards. Now let's open it up and take a look. Ooh, it looks so good. If you would like more framework information on installation and all-around exploration, give me a follow.